guys. This is our drill bit grinding machine. Show you the parts and what's the use. This one here is a drill bit grinding attachment. This will guide us on grinding the drill bit. This is for the small attachments and big attachments. This one here, we can adjust the angle from 10 degree, 25, 30, 35 up to 50 degree, similar to the big one. Drill bit grinding machine attachment. It will attach to this 2 guide pin like this, and then you will tighten this one. It's similar to this. Yeah, for this one, this is for the bigger drill bit. There's adjustment here for the angle, and this is the drill chuck for the bigger drill bit. What you're gonna do now, I will loosen it. This is the drill bit, big drill bit. So we'll put the drill bit here, and we'll touch these two rod, small rod here by the edge of the drill bit, and then you will tighten. So it's firmly on each position. Now it's tight. You can proceed to change this attachment, the bigger one. Release the lock. Put the bigger attachment. Then lock. Now it's in 25 or 15 degree. If I want to change to 30 degree, it will be like this. See, it's 30 degree. So I lock. Then to grind this, the position will be supposed to be like this. We'll turn slowly until it meets the requirements. We'll turn the other side and slowly turn again until it reaches its required sharpness. This one over here is a drill chuck to hold the drill for grinding. This small one. This is the bigger one. This area over here is to adjust the distance for grinding. This over here, this one, you press this one, will adjust the distance. Okay, we'll try. Then lock. Now there's a little bit there. Pushing. tight. This. And in this portion of the machine is to grind the relief of the drill bit backside here. So what we're gonna do now, after finishing the grinding, this position, this will go through this slot and gently this position over here, slot, gently we will put slowly, and it will meet this slot, the end of the slot. Then we will get the correct relief. Right now it's not running, it's just to explain how it works. Okay, this is a drill bit grinder. For this one, you can adjust the angle from this to this.